Hello everyone, today I'm going to be demonstrating how to install a pip for Python. Now, pip is what you're going to use to install anything on Python. You could use something else, but I don't know any good options other than pip. So how are we going to install pip even? You can't install pip using pip install pip. No, you're going to have to use curl. I'm going to leave the link to this. Dear God, what the hell? I'm gonna leave the link to this in the description or as a comment. Now, I'm gonna copy this link. Open up my well, I'll just open a new one because this one probably didn't refresh. CMD. Gonna type this. I'm gonna add this in. Curl https blah 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 -- show get pip.py. Actually, I might CD documents just in case. CD documents. I prefer to no CD Dova. CD OneDrive. CD documents. And now I'm gonna install it. Now that's just for me. You could install it anywhere else, but I'm just gonna be installing it there. See, I think that worked correctly. Get pip.py, there it is. Now we're gonna do Python. Now, last video I showed you how to install Python 3.8.7, so you should know this now. We're just gonna do exit Python. Nope, we're not doing that. That's not the correct thing. Python get pip, and if you're wondering how I autofilled this, just press tab. Python get pip.py. Uh-oh, what the hell? Okay, I'm not sure what happened there. But yeah, now we installed pip. And if you do this, pip, ta-da! Let's just install a random package. Pip install discord.py voice. Yeah, pip install discord.py voice. Ta-da! See? Pip's working. Happy programming.